Hey beauts, it's Lisshaaleah Beauty here, and we're back for another holiday collection with Morphe. Let's go. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to check out the Best of Lisshaaleah Beauty playlist so you can get caught up in any old collections that you missed. And if you're returning, well, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. Now, let's get into our holiday collection, Morphe. So, of course, I only got two things from the collection, which I desperately needed was the setting spray, and it came in a cute little package with one full size, one mini size, and the 35XO palette. So today we're going to use this and create a cute holiday tutorial look. Ready? Let's go. And that's it, folks. If you missed out on any of the details, hit my description below and it will give you all the deets in detail. Now, Lisshaaleah Beauty, out.